Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-Wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, outside, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. and I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them hands, make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Suge, Mike, what we doing, dog? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. I got a fantastic live in store for you all here today. It's going to be one hell of a time. We got the labor report tomorrow. We're giving away a huge giveaway here today for THD members. And we had not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 triple-digit gains inside of True Trading Group here this week. It's been a monster way to start off the month of October. And tomorrow, it's going to get even crazier. Let's go for triple-digit gain number 6 on the week tomorrow. Folks, my name is Michael Edward Parinati. I go by Michael Edward. I've been trading and investing for over 17 years. I began my career working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job right out of college, where they taught me how to become a trader. I had to first go through an educational training program before the fund let me touch $1 of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of people from all over the world to reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries, so we're truly a global community here at True Trading Group. And for those that did not know, we're also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, and futures trading. We also cover all styles of trading. We do day trading. We do swing trading. We also cover long-term investing. So there's something truly for everybody inside of True Trading Group. Now, we take that university level of curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. These tools give you more information. They help you make better decisions. They increase your chances of success. Unfortunately, most retail traders don't use them because they're so expensive. I know that, but I also know you need them. That's why we spend years building relationships with these companies so we can put their tools and products on our platform without you guys having to pay for it. This includes Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data to track trades by government, insider trading to track trades by management, a simulator from ETNA that lets you guys practice trading with fake money but real-time data, same simulator that's used at several universities across the country like Cal State Fullerton, University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, Illinois Tech. They all use the same simulator that you guys are using. You got TradingView's premium charting software with tick-for-tick real-time data from our partners at Quote Media. You get unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, the trade idea scanners on our platform, and so much more. Yes, you're going to get our courses. Yes, you're going to get our trade alerts, obviously. But you also get these things when you join True Trading Group. We set you up with everything you need to have the very best chance of being successful at one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find. Not to mention the real-time trade alerts from all of the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate as a group on all of our executions of just around 80% now going on roughly the last 4 years. And of course, those of you that are busy, that have a full-time job, you guys, all the tools, all the resources, all the alerts, everything's accessible on our mobile apps that are designed to help you stay connected no matter how busy you are or what you are doing. If you have a cell phone or a tablet, as long as you can listen to music during the day, then you can listen on the analysis, the trade alerts, and receive the real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit their trades. So if you guys are ready to learn trade and profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here on this YouTube channel with myself and other THD Pro trading mods and special guests, drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trading days, and commentary that can help you all become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications. Make sure that you guys never miss out on any of these live streams and never miss out on any of the opportunities that the members of True Trading Group are capitalizing on in a daily basis. Because, you know, in order for you guys to really get it, in order for you to have, do you actually really get a real chance to make money? Do you actually get a real chance to become a better trader? Or is it just the moderators that are taking advantage of their trade alerts? Is it just the moderators that are making money? Or do you actually get the chance to make money? Because that's why you're here. You're not here to watch other traders make money. You're here so that you guys can make money. The answer is yes. And I'll prove that to you. Watch this. Members of True Trading Group, do me a favor right now. Just go ahead and type the number 1 if you guys are making money and you're actually becoming better traders because of True Trading Group. Just go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. Just go ahead, type the number 1. You guys tell me. Are you making money and becoming better traders because of TTG? Type the number 1 if the answer is yes. Now, for those of you that are not members, my advice is to pay attention to how many people you see. Type the number 1 on the side of the screen. These are your peers. These are your friends, your family members, your coworkers, people that have once had the same excuse that you had for yourself. Small account, full-time job, no experience, lost money before, scammed by some other group, have no idea what I'm doing. All those same excuses that you once had for yourself and all the reasons why you say, oh, I can't do this right now. Right now is not the right time. I'm telling you right now is the right time. Yesterday was the right time. Last month was the right time. Last year was the right time. The right time is right now. This is hands down the greatest trading environment that I've ever seen in my entire life, and I've been doing this now for 17 years. So much so that just last month, one of our moderators had the biggest week that she has ever had P&L wise. Now you come into this week and there's been not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 triple-digit gains called out in chat this week. Some day trades, some swing trades. Every single time that you felt a sense of regret, that was the right time. Because I know there's a lot of people that probably, oh, you have regret. You didn't get into the markets in 2020. You have regret. You didn't get into them last year. You have regret. You missed out on the rally of 2021. You have regret. You missed out on the AI rally of 2023. Regret, 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 regret. I'm telling you guys, as big as this last month or so of trading has been for us, I think that tomorrow and going into next week is going to be an absolute fireworks show. I come on these live streams every single day and I tell you exactly when I believe that the market's going to go up, when I think they're going to go down, when I think there's going to be opportunities here and there. I'm telling you right now that I believe that we are going to have absolute monsters tomorrow and next week. Why? The labor report is coming out tomorrow and the entire market is waiting for that number. That number is more important than previous labor reports in the past because of what's been going on with interest rates. It is undoubtedly going to move the market. And then next week, you get inflation data. You're going to get the CPI data, the PPI data. This is going to move the market because it's going to move bond yields. Bond yields right now are moving this market in a huge way. Guys, take a moment and fill out the poll that's being asked in chat right now. Just go ahead and fill out that poll inside of the YouTube chat right now. Let's go ahead and fill out that poll. Now, today's going to be a really, important live stream. It's going to be a serious live stream. So I want to make sure that you guys really are taking some good notes, get a piece of pen, or get a piece of paper, a pen, pencil, whatever it is. Take some notes. I'm going to go over with you on this live stream my exact game plan for tomorrow. What is the expectations of the labor report? What do I think the labor report actually comes in at? And then most importantly, what's the market's reaction to that report? And how do we make money from it? Right? Again, that's why you're on this live stream. That's why members join True Trading Group, is to make money. And we do a damn good, that's our job. And we do a damn good job of that on a regular basis. So I'm going to give you that entire game plan here today. So make sure you guys are ready to take some notes. But before we do that, yes, we're going to cover also some of the trades that we've been going on here in True Trading Group this week to show you the opportunities that you're missing out on by sitting on the sidelines. I'm telling you, if you've missed out on these previous ones, I'm telling you there's more coming over the next several days. So get your butt in gear. But also we're giving away, we have a giveaway right here on this live stream. This giveaway I'm doing today is just for TTG members, but we are giving away a laptop today, not just any laptop, $2,000 worth. Okay, you're talking about super high-end, high-powered gaming laptop, best of the best, cream of the crop. So we're going to be giving that away to one of our lucky TTG members right here on this live stream. So the way that this is going to work, all of my TTG members that signed up for the giveaway, you guys all have a chance at this. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, I'm sorry, you are not part of this giveaway. Join True Trading Group, and then you can participate in all of our giveaways. But if you are not, sorry, you got to sit this one out. Members, in a moment, I'm going to give you the first of 2 code words. Then towards a later on in this live stream, I'll give you the second code word. Then we will put everyone's name into a random name picker, that is called the Wheel of Names. We will spin that wheel here live. You know the drill. If your name is called, you'll have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number that we put up on the bottom of the screen. If you can do that, congratulations. You have just won yourself a $2,000 monster. All right. So that's what we're going to be doing here on this live stream. The first code word of this giveaway is, you probably guessed it, labor. Labor is the first code word of this giveaway. So all of my members, again, if you're not a member, don't worry about this. You got to sit this giveaway out. But if you are a member, the first code word is labor. Labor. That is the first code word. Again, I'm going to give you the second code word later on in this live stream, and then we'll spin the wheel later. And if your name is called, you got to know both code words in order for you to win the laptop. All right. So that is that. So good luck, guys. First code word is labor. Now, like I said, I want to go in here, guys, and I want to explain to you what has been actually going on inside of your trading group, because I feel like sometimes people think when I say these things that they think it's just like it's like hype, or it's like it's like all hot air, or it's like a I don't know, like it's a sales tactic or something. But the trading that is going on inside of True Trading Group right now, and it really just, like today, I even took a step back, and I'm just like, I'm so happy and I'm so proud with the trading that's been going on with our other moderators, with our members. I mean, I work very closely. The moderators and I work very closely with our members. So we do a lot of individual coaching, a lot of individual mentorship, and a lot of individual like hand-holding and development. So I get to really see the progress and development of a lot of different members, and the amount of milestones that people are reaching and achieving is just unlike anything that I have ever seen. You have members that are making money on moderators' trade alerts, but you also have members that are making money on their own trade alerts. And that's the real beauty of it. It's like, man, when you get to the point where, sure, you want to join True Trading Group, you want to follow all of our trade alerts, you can. We give you guys all of our alerts in real time. We have an about 80% win rate on all of our executions amongst all the mods. You can follow our trades, obviously, if you would like. But being able to make money on your own trade ideas, that is when you really will reach your max, your true potential. Members, just type the number 1 if you guys are making money on your own trade ideas now. I'm just curious. If you guys have gotten to a point where you make money on your own trades, go ahead and type the number 1 in chat, because I see this stuff. I see this stuff going on. I'm just like, man, I even said to everybody in chat today, I'm like, guys, I just want to tip my hat. I want to tip my hat to the members. I want to tip my hat to the moderators, because, and check this out, guys, look how many people are typing number 1 inside chat. These are people that are making money on their own trade alerts. That's how good of a trader these people have become, thanks to the True Trading Group platform. That's special. That is special. So people that are on this live stream that are new, that are not members, congratulations. Congratulations for finding something that's real. Congratulations on finding something that can actually help you reach your goals. It can actually help you guys become successful. The idea is to learn something real so that one day you do not need to rely on other people in order to find success. You want to talk about real financial independence and financial freedom. It's not having to rely on anyone other than yourself to earn a living. That's really what financial independence is. But if all you're doing is just making money off of somebody else, are you really truly financially independent, or are you dependent on the person that you're mirroring? Now, again, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. I mean, listen, there's 9 of us. There's 9 professional traders in True Trading Group. You can follow our trades if you guys would like. But being able to make your own trades, understanding what good setups in the market look like, and understanding how to capitalize on them and how to make money from them is priceless. Because then it doesn't matter what goes on in the economy. It doesn't matter if there's a recession. It doesn't matter if the economy is hot or cold, or if there's a war, or if there's inflation, or if there's this, or there's that, or if your company lays people off. It doesn't matter. None of it matters, because as long as the stock market is open, you've got a way to make money. And I'm curious right now how many people that are not part of True Trading Group are on this live stream. I want to know, because you're about to see something amazing. And I want to know how many people are on here that are watching that before I show you something amazing, I want to see how many people on here are not members of True Trading Group. So guys, just do me a favor. Type the letters TTG if you're not a member of True Trading Group. I'm going to show you something real special. So if you're not a member, I'd like for you to go ahead right now and type the letters TTG just so I can see how many people we have on here that are not part of the community. So don't be shy. Go ahead, guys. Just type the letters TTG inside chat right now. Emmanuel, Hog Days, Cello, James, Christopher, Brad. I have to sneeze. Brian, Jay, Remy, Johnny. One of these days. Andrew, welcome back. I remember you from the. You were on another live stream just the other day. Oh man, I gotta sneeze. Cardin. Not good. It's got a handful. Great Dane, welcome back. Great Dane, welcome back. All right, cool. That's a handful of people here that are not part of the community, not part of the team. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm about to, for those of you that said you're not members of the community, and that's why I was asking how many people are not part of it, because my members all know who I'm about to introduce you to. But the person that I'm about to introduce you to is one of the professional trading mods at True Trading Group, one of our lead option educators, and just an absolute unbelievable monster of an options trader, both day trades and swing trades. And this is someone that 3 years ago was in the exact same position that you are in right now. 3 years ago, this person was on a live stream, just like you are right now, listening to me talk about the markets and how we're planning on making money and going over analysis and ideas. That person joined a trial membership of True Trading Group. That person then became an annual member of True Trading Group. That person then became a lifetime member of True Trading Group and is now a full-time professional trading moderator at True Trading Group, having walked away from a 6-figure IT job in order to trade full-time 3 years ago. In a span of 3 years, that is the course of action. That is the accomplishments that this person has been able to achieve. This person had their biggest trading week ever in September and followed that right up with not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 triple-digit gains this week, and it's Thursday. Now, I don't know about your math. That's more than a triple-digit gain a day. Now, how many of you that are not members would love the opportunity of potentially catching a triple-digit gain every week? Never mind every day. Now, listen, it's not normal to catch a triple-digit gain every single day. But honestly, with the way that this market has been and the opportunities that this volatility has created, there has never been a time in history where there has been more opportunity to catch a triple-digit gain every day than there is right now. And this person's trading is proof of it. Guys, I want to give a shout out and give a big warm TTG Ayo welcome to Shy.
Hey! We're gonna get copyright strike. They're gonna take the stream down.
Oh, damn. Okay. All right.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got hyped, Shy. I didn't know that was gonna happen too. I got hyped, man.
We don't own the rights to the music.
You had me going there. Oh man, Adam just shut us down real quick. Shy, what's up? Talk to me. How are you?
It's a party.
It is a party. I mean, this whole week has been absolutely. You can listen. So now that everybody knows, you got 5 triple-digit gains this week, right? We'll talk about some of the trades, but talk to me about this market. Talk to me about the opportunities that are out there, so that people need to understand that just because they haven't been doing this for 20 years doesn't mean that they can't make money from it. Like, I want you to just tell me about this market and this opportunity and what this has meant for you and for your family.
It's crazy, like the triple digit gains that I'm catching are not the only ones that I'm seeing. Right?
You saw
So
Snowflake today.
like Snowflake today, FSLR, it's just, I mean, they're everywhere, right? And I get to a point where I'm like, in the morning, I thought I've got to. I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day. But I still see them like throughout the whole day. I'm like when I do the math and stuff like that, I'm like, yo, that's another one. That's another one. I may call them out to some of the members and like, hey, y'all may want to take a look at this. But I don't know. I came in doing the AMC GME, like little debacle, and I don't have a ton of experience. Like everyone keeps saying the market's gonna go back to normal, and this is my normal. So yeah. I'm like, well, what does 1 or 2 points on the spot look like in a day? Like, what does that look like?
Yeah, this is, yeah, Shai, just so you know, your sound is a little off.
Oh, my sound is off?
Yeah, your sound is a little off. It sounds like you're kind of like under a pillow maybe or something.
Like I'm under the pillow. Okay, 1 second. Let me see.
Did you have me like? Are you on your computer mic, or are you on like an earpiece?
You know what? It's probably the.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I have a webcam mic that.
That's what it was.
Defaulted.
That's what it was. Now, way better. Yeah, now it sounds way better. Yeah, so it was connected to your webcam mic.
Yeah, it's connected to my webcam mic.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that sounds much clearer, much better. Awesome, perfect.
Nothing I can't fix. Nothing an IT professional can't fix.
Right. Yes. Right. Former IT professional.
Yeah. Now I just trade IT stocks. But like I said, it's been I don't know, like it's been amazing. It's just been amazing. I'm when you're seeing it, like when you're in the zone and you're seeing it, like that's what September and October has been to me. And even when I'm not trading them, I'm still seeing them. So like there's so much opportunity out here. I was just talking to my family earlier today, and we're going to go to the cabins for Thanksgiving, right? So so like being able to do stuff like that, and we're going to do that right before Christmas. Like back in the day, that would have never happened. Right. We would have been trying to put our money together, make sure the kids got everything that they need, but it's not just me. It's like my siblings and everybody's coming to the cabins, and like just to be able to contribute to that and be a part of that, it's life-changing.
That's so special. I just, that's the stuff that, like, so I'm a big family guy too, and I love spending time with family, and I feel like that's one of the allures of trading is like, and you're living the dream that a lot of people, when they begin this journey that they set out to achieve, which is quitting their job, trading full time, and living life as they want, and being able to go to the cabins with your family whenever the hell that you want, and not have to ask your boss or put in for time off or whatever it is. I got to ask you, like, did you ever, because I know you just started doing this 3 years ago, like, could you have ever envisioned or thought 3 years ago that this is where you would be today?
No, like I said, I came into this because my brother was talking about AMC and GME. He's really big into crypto, so he like that was his thing. And then I had one of my subordinates at work was talking about options trading. At that time, I knew nothing about it, but we was having this conversation. I just was like, you know what? I just want to make like $100,000 trading. And he was like, have you ever heard of options trading? And because we were working really late one night, and I was like, I just want to figure out how to make this money without doing this. Like, it got to be a better way.
Right.
And I went and watched some YouTube videos and joined Matt Core's Discord. I actually came from his Discord when he was doing like AMC GME. And he just mentioned in the Discord one day, like, well, the only guys that I would really trust to teach trading is TTG. So I asked him what it was, and he just like casually referred me to the live stream. And like, that's where I started. But if someone would have told me 3 years ago that I would have quit my job, then I turned down another job earlier this year, right? Another 6-figure job to do this full time. my brain would not have been able to comprehend it because it's so far out of the realm of what I considered a possibility. And I think that's what trading ultimately means to me, is that this year I have been able to go out to, travel and experience things for the first time and just live a life. I'm a Air Force veteran, combat veteran with PTSD, and live a life that's I don't have stress. I don't have to take medication for anxiety or anything like that because I don't have the stressors of an everyday job. And if someone would have told me that was possible 3 years ago, I would have said BS. I had just finished my master's 3 years ago. I was trying to become a CTO, so trading wasn't something that I thought was even remotely possible because there's no one around me that looks like me that trades, right? I mean, the lay person, the average person don't really invest in stocks. I match my 401k with my company, they match it, I match it, and then that's the end of it. But to be doing this wholeheartedly, and the crazy thing about this is I'm a moderator because you all found me, but I would be trading like this at home by myself. I would just be sitting here trading and carrying on. And that's the beautiful part about it.
I love it. I love it so much.
So it's been rewarding. I don't think I felt better as a person. And it's not the monetary side of it. Of course, money is good, but just my mental health. I don't think I felt better as a person.
Yeah. Yeah. And listen, it's you're accomplishing what a lot of people on this live stream would hope to achieve. And what I just want to point out to the people that are on this live stream is right here is living, breathing proof that your dreams may not be as far away as you think that they are. And let's dive in a bit and let's talk about, obviously your trading ability and the trading that's going on right now inside of True Trading Group is what has gotten us to this point, right? And has allowed you to be where you're at. So talk to me about some of these trades, 5 triple-digit gain trades. Run me through them briefly. We don't have to dive into the entire.
Yeah, so, and right before I do, you said you're, living proof of your dreams. Understand that this was not my dream. So I would tailor that to say that trading in TTG is living proof that you can achieve something far more than what you dream.
Oh wow, yeah, I like that.
You can achieve something that's so far out of the realm of what you can actually comprehend.
Hell yeah. Ah, man. I feel
let's get to this money. Let's get to this.
Yeah. Let's get to the money. Let's get to the money. Yeah. Talk to me. Run me through these monsters.
All right. So
I got the chart. You talk me through it. I'll show people on the chart.
All right. We can start with Enphase because that's been my old faithful. That's been my old lady. So I have been
borderline criminal what you are doing to this thing. You are the reason that green energy is failing in this country because the solar stocks are just losing money. Jai is taking she's destroying the solar sector.
I'm killing them.
Talk to us.
I did buy some in my long-term portfolio. If that helps, I'm trying to give it to them. But yeah, so I caught this thing twice. I caught it on 10-3.
Yep.
And then on the 113 puts, and then I caught it from yesterday to today on the 120 puts.
And the one when you got it, you waited out that pop, right? And then and was it right in here maybe?
All the way at the top at 120.
What?
I like bottom six. My entry was 255 on those.
Oh yeah, we got a comment here on the screen real quick. We got looking forward to becoming a member. When I'm able to throw down and join, I will. Much love, guys. Love every stream. Travis, my man, listen, I will tell you this. I look forward to having you as a member. But when you said, when I'm able to throw down and join, I will. We do. I'm just letting you know, we do take PayPal credit. And with PayPal credit, I'm pretty sure it's 6 months interest free. So, we do accept PayPal credit if that is a way that you guys want to join. But what I would tell you also, Travis, and this goes for anybody that's on this live stream right now, if you have any interest at all in joining True Trading Group, do yourself a favor and send a text message. Maybe we'll help you guys out. We'll do something special for you because tomorrow is going to be huge. I'm telling you now, tomorrow is going to be a big day.
Yeah,
So if anybody is interested, I used PayPal credit to join. There you go, Phil. And Phil, I'm right? It's 6 months, no interest, if I'm not mistaken. So you can pay it off over 6 months if you don't have the money right up front. But you guys might think you can't afford this. Send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of your screen right now. Text that number with the word START, followed by your name and email. Okay, the number is 1-888-306-8783. Again, that phone number is 1-888-306-8783. Text that number. It's right down at the bottom of the screen with the word START, and then put your name and email. And you'll talk directly to Adam. Adam is my business partner. He's the co-founder of True Trading Group. You're not talking to some customer service rep. You're not talking to somebody on the other side of the world. There he is right there. That is the guy that you're going to be talking to when you guys send a text to that number. You have any questions, you have any interest at all, text that number, and I guarantee we'll do something for you. If you guys want to become part of True Trading Group and take advantage of this environment and these opportunities, you guys can do so, and we'll help you out. So go ahead and send a text that number right now. All right. So Shy.
So we can talk about the first one. The first one is on 10-3, so you can go back a little bit.
Okay.
10-3. Yep, right there. And I got in at
early, right? Like 9:40s.
Yeah. So on 10-3, I got in at 9:55 actually.
Oh, this one. Okay,
yeah.
Right.
9:55, 113 puts, got in at 150, wrote that all the way down. Final take on that was 100%.
And I'll explain to people too, guys, just so you guys can see this. You guys see this level, right? This is the level that Shy is basing her trade off of, right? So you guys might be like, oh, well, why? Why did she do that? Well, this is the stuff that you guys are going to learn as a member. You can see this real nice, beautiful level of support at end phase the day prior. Push right up back into it. It's still resistance. It's a short. If the stock is weak, it's in a huge downtrend. So every pop into resistance, she's been getting short and then riding the stock to the downside. So there's the entry on the put options.
They have to stop.
Was that
116 is a stop right there where your arrows are.
Okay, yep, and that's the stop.
Yep. And then we just rolled it all the way down. We got in at 150, final take at $3.
Sick. Absolutely sick. And that was you were done with that trade before lunchtime.
I was done. Yeah, I was out.
Yeah. Done with that before lunchtime. So that was a triple digit gain. I think that was 100.
No, that's just 100. I got in at 9:55, out by 10:30, 100%.
That's sick. So how about that? 100% gain right before lunchtime, folks. I'm sure that would make a lot of people happy. All right, that was triple digit gain number one. Talk to me about the second one on end phase. Now, what made you help me out here? Because this is something that so here we are. We're looking at this chart, right?
Yeah.
Now, to the untrained eye, that's going to be a move that people are going to say, I want to be long. Wow, the stock is ripping. The stock is running. What gave you the confidence to step in right there when you did and actually buy put options?
Because it's in phase.
In phase.
Honestly, when you trade the same thing over and over again, you kind of get to know the stocks. And one thing about this stock, it is, it is in the downtrend. And the only reason the whole solar sector pumped, it wasn't just in phase, was because
I'm going to show everybody on the daily chart too. You guys can look at this huge downtrend. I'll just show everybody on the chart, a huge downtrend. And
then so you pump right into 120 on it, like that's a huge level.
Yeah.
And there's really no catalyst for it. The whole solar sector just popped because they were talking about maybe we're done with interest rates and solar's been beat down due to that. So I mean, it's in phase. Like until it's out of the downtrend, then you short every bounce.
Yeah.
So, we went up to 120. I came on a mic because this was a very quick trade. It would have taken a little bit more time for me to get that alert out. Told the members I'm hopping into 120 puts for this week at 255 and took profit. Ended up holding a little bit of that to this morning. 255 final take was this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing got crushed this morning. You damn near ticked the whole move,
Final take was at 615.
Yeah.
So from 255 to 615.
255 to 615, that is a 141% gain.
Yeah.
In a day. So this is guys a trade that she entered yesterday, exiting for 141% gain today. So this is what I was saying to people. Like, there's a lot of variety inside your trading group. So you guys are going to have day trades and swing trades called out every single day inside of True Trading Group. Okay, there's going to be stocks, there's going to be options every single day inside True Trading Group. Okay, so no matter what it is that you're trading, and also futures called out every single day inside True Trading Group. So no matter what it is that you trade or what style that you're implementing, like I said, there's 9 professional traders, okay, that are calling out different trades throughout the day and giving you their analysis and their commentary. Okay, why would anyone pay for this? These bots do not make money. All right, so here's what we're going to do. My members of True Trading Group, Peter Thomas wants to know, why would anyone pay for this? These bots do not make money. So let's prove to Peter Thomas that, you know what? Before I do that, hold on a second. Members, hold the phone. Non-members, real quick, type TTG if you're not a member. I just want to prove a point. If you're not a member, type TTG. I want to prove a point real quick. Just please, if you're not a member, type TTG. I just want to prove a point. Non-members, type TTG real quick.
Let's see who's on here.
Tobias, GK, Catherine, Cello, Andrew, Brian, Charles.
That's my brother.
Is that your brother? I was going to say, is that your brother?
He's a member.
Charles, what's up, man? What's up? We got Muhammad. We got Seamless. We got Joe. Yo, 2020 Vision. What's good, my man? Johnny Gutierrez. It breaks my heart every time when you type TTG. It breaks my heart. Baz Gouda. Gerardo. All right, so we got a handful of non-members here. Excellent. Okay. Now, Peter, I forgot Peter's name. Peter Thomas, right? Peter Thomas. You always got to be careful of people that have 2 first names.
Peter Thomas.
Like Michael Edward. Guys, listen, members of True Trading Group, right? So Peter Thomas thinks that you guys are all bots.
I'm a bot.
To prove that you are not a bot, I would like every single member of True Trading Group that is making money to type your first name. If you are a member of True Trading Group and you are making money, type your first name. So now, Peter Thomas, I'd like for you to comment. I'd like for you to read some of the comments that are coming through chat right now, and you can see for yourself how many of these people are not bots, my friend. Because sure, I can tell you, oh yeah, type the number 1, and maybe a bunch of bots can type the number 1, but how can a bunch of bots type their name? So there you guys have all of the members of True Trading Group, and just read some of these comments. Read the comments coming through. See how many people are typing their name. Now, I was very clear and very specific with my question. If you guys are making money and you guys are becoming better traders with True Trading Group, then just go ahead and type your name. And you guys can see for yourself how many people are going through and doing that right now. So, Peter Thomas, your move. Your move.
I'm a bot.
Yes. I mean, with the way you're trading.
I'm a bot. Call me an algorithm.
you know what's funny too, and you know what? I'm gonna get ahead of this. I kind of got a feeling of the type of person Peter is, so I'm gonna get ahead of this so we can just move on to how we're making money. Because I'm sure Peter's next question is going to be something about like, oh yeah, well you made a bunch of money, but because probably you traded with like a bajillion $1 million in your account, that's the only way you make money. Wrong. A lot of these people started True Trading with less than $1,000 in their account. And to prove that to you, I'd like to do this now. Members of True Trading. Wow, people are still typing their name. That's insane. How many people? Wow. Guys, listen. If you started True Trading Group with less than $1,000 in your account, go ahead and just comment what you started with. Because I think some people say they're like, oh, I don't have the money to join because they don't want to take money from their trading account or something like that. Guys,
like when I do my one-on-ones, it's actually people who start with, small accounts that do very well. I myself started with a small account.
Yep. People with small accounts.
A $3,000 account
Yeah.
No,
They do
that's
better. They do better because they're tighter with their risk. They control their risk better. They don't take crazy. Here, look, 300, 500, 1,000, 300, 500, 347, 1,000, 5,000, 200, 330, 300, 500, 10,000, 400, 700. Right? So you guys, all jokes aside, Peter, if you join, then I promise 1 month from now, you'll be kicking yourself for not joining before the prices go up. That's true. The price is up. The price of our membership has been going up over the last few weeks. It's going to continue to go up as we move things forward. But if you guys are interested, like I said, we'll do you guys a solid right now. If you guys are interested in joining, you just have to send us a text message with your name and email and the word START. And like I said, we'll throw that phone number back up on the screen, 1-888-306-8783. Just text us, guys. That's it. Send us a text with the word START, your name and email. We'll take care of you guys. Kathleen Duke, I love you so much. I hope you are doing well. Started with $100 and over 2 years has grown that account to 5 digits in 2 years. That's insane. Raising Cane just started a new account with $100, is now up to $1,600 in a little over a month. There it is. I'm not too proud to follow up here, but how, says Peter Thomas. Like, how are people making money? Education. Or are you saying how to follow up? I guess he's saying like how are people making money? I mean,
education.
Listen,
it's the education.
Yeah, education, but also the guidance from the moderators.
Yeah.
You know, like.
I think we lost Mike.
I'm back. I'm back. Don't
it's
worry.
Like every day at the same time.
I don't understand. I don't understand why I lose the connection. Like
every day at the same time on the live stream.
It's so weird. But yeah, I think it's obviously it's the education that people receive at True Trading Group, because it's actually a professional level of education. You're going to learn the same stuff that I learned when I worked at the Fund of New York, but it's also the guidance from our moderators. Like, I understand people are busy during the day, right? You have full-time jobs, you got busy schedules. You can't be staring at charts all day, every day. Well, we can. So the moderators and I, we're not Monday morning quarterbacks. How does someone do this working, taking care of kids? Can't be. No, Peter, they absolutely can. A lot of people that 80% of the members in True Trading Group have a full-time job.
Yeah.
Okay. The other 20% are either retired or they're full-time traders, but 80% of our members have full-time jobs. You're not the only one that's busy during the day, taking care of kids. We have people that take care of kids. We have people that also work, busy professions and work full-time. And I'll prove that to you too, Peter. No worries, guys. Peter is interested here. So let's do a favor. Everyone is day trading with full lives.
Yeah.
Guys, go ahead. So members of True Trading Group, just go ahead and comment what you actually do for a living. So if you guys are making money while working a full-time job, just comment in chat and tell me what you actually do for a living. What's your profession? And then Peter, just read some of the comments that come through on the side of the screen, because maybe you'll see someone that does the same thing for a living that you do. And to follow up to your previous question, which was, people day trade with full-time schedules. I mean, yes, some people day trade if their day allows for it. Other people swing trade. So True Trading Group, we day trade and we swing trade. And then we have a mobile app. All you need is this. You have this, then you can follow along with everything that we're doing during the day, because the moderators and I tell you exactly what we're going to do before we actually do it. So it's not a surprise. When our orders actually execute, then you get real-time push notifications sent to you. The same way that you get an Amber Alert on your phone, you get a push notification when our moderators enter.
Yeah, it's just. I also want to just say big shout out, Steven. Mike and I didn't have time to really go through a script today, so your questions are absolutely fantastic.
Who's Steven? His name
or not Steven, whatever his name is.
Peter,
Steven. Yeah, I'm talking to a Steven right now on text, but thank you very much, Steven. Or Peter, whatever. Dog, it's all the same name, It's these like Peter, Steven, Thomas, Joe.
No, Wendell.
Whatever his name is, the guy that's in chat. I'm not really paying attention, but
You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with Wendell. Wendell's a tough one. Be careful with Wendell. Don't trust the Wendell. Wendell and Gertrude. You gotta be careful of them.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. So, all right, guys. So Peter, hopefully we've answered a lot of your questions, and maybe there's other members that are part of. Maybe there's other viewers that are on here that had similar questions. I hope we answer those questions for you. So there's the end phase trade. So that's not one but two triple-digit gains there on end phase. Talk to us about what else.
You can keep it in the solar sector, and go to FSLR.
I like it.
FSLR. I didn't catch it today, but that was a month ago. You see what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, you see what I'm saying? It's like
it's like they're everywhere.
They're everywhere. Look at this VWAP rejection today. At
the initial morning low.
Oh, and then right here. We got to welcome home Steven. Steven just came back. So Steven was a member.
Welcome home, Steven.
And is now a member again. So welcome home, Steven. It is our pleasure to have you back. Steven, it is our pleasure to have you back, brother.
I caught the one on 10-2.
All right, let's
enter that 938.
Oh, that's right. Let's go back to here. And we're looking at where are we at? Where were we? Right there.
Yep, it's right there. My stop was at 162.5, playing off the 160 level, and yeah, so beautiful stop loss placement on that one.
Oh hell yeah!
Yeah.
And look at that. And again, guys, let's point things out for people, right? Like you guys see, I want you to see the things that we're looking at here. See the resistance level that we have here. See this? See this level, right? So these aren't arbitrary numbers.
Right.
Shai isn't just randomly picking numbers out of thin air about where to put her stop loss. She's putting her stop loss in places based on these chart readings. And this is all the stuff that you guys will learn to do on your own as a member of True Trading Group, or you can just, follow along with the stuff that we're doing and you can follow our lead on stuff, but you'll learn how to do this stuff also. So there's your entry. And then talk to us about what was the option?
So I got in the 160s at 320. Actually, that ended up being a swing trade. My final take was on 10-3, and I got out at 715.
Look at this. Look at this entry, folks. Look at what the stock did over the course of the next 2 days. Just unbelievable downside. And that one was 123% gain. 123% gain came off yesterday, the third. 2 days ago. So 2 days ago. So in on the 2nd, which was that Monday, and then out on Tuesday, and that was good for 123% gain. Now you have to ask yourself this, right? Because a lot of trading programs that you guys might see, okay, on YouTube, they'll tell you, hey, I bought put options right there, and then I got out of them right there, and I made $10,000 in 90 seconds, and I'm the greatest, and you should follow me. Well, that's great for that person, but you are not going to be able to trade that frequently if you have a full-time job and you have other responsibilities during the day. You're just not able to get into a position and get out of it within 3 minutes.
And a lot of people would say, I got in at the top and so at the bottom. No, I got in early because I was playing off the 162 level. Yeah. But I positioned myself in the size that I could withstand the bounce to 162. So on this pop, I was looking at that 160 level, right? And then, but if we got above that, the next level is 162, and if you get above that, then it's going to 165. So my stop, I come on the mic and I say, hey, I'm going to position size myself in case we bounce. You get the bounce, right? So yeah, we're red for a few minutes, but we never get to the stop.
That's right. And then it rolls over.
Absolute
thing of beauty. And then also, side note, for those of you that do swing trade, we actually have an open swing trade workshop tonight inside the main chat room that starts in 30 minutes. So at 6 p.m. Eastern, we're doing a live swing trading workshop, free for everybody inside of free for members, inside of the main trading chat room for all of our members that are on here. If you guys want, at 6 o'clock, you can head on over to the main chat room and you guys can do and participate in the swing trading chat. But I want people that are viewers that are not members, I want you to just think for a second. Like let's envision how your day would go. So let's say on Monday at 9:40 in the morning, okay, you get a text message sent to your phone. You look at it. It says Shai just bought the 160 put option that expires on Friday for FSLR. You take your phone, and I know you've all done this before. I know you all at work have sent a text message while you've been at work. I know you all have. George, welcome to the TTG family, guys. We got to welcome George. George, welcome to the True Trading Group family. Everybody welcome George, newest member of the group. Guys, again, send a text message to the number at the bottom of the screen. If you guys are interested in True Trading Group, send a text. We'll hook you guys up. And then you open up on your phone. You log into your E-Trade account, your Thinkorswim, your Webull, your Robinhood. You enter a trade. It takes you an entirety of 60 seconds. You then put your phone down. You go back to work. You're doing your job. You got meetings. You got phone calls. And then on Tuesday morning at 10:08 a.m. Eastern time, you get another notification on your phone. And it says, oh, wow, look, Shai just took final profit off on the FSLR put options. You log into your account. Within 60 seconds, you sell your option. You put your phone down. You go back to work. All of you have the ability to do that.
Yeah.
This is what I'm trying to explain to people. You do not need to be sitting in front of your computer screen all day, every day, charts, scanners. Lean on the moderators, use our platform, use our mobile app. There's a reason why we have spent a tremendous amount of time and money building out the mobile aspect of the True Trading Group platform, because I know that after COVID and everybody went back to work, you don't have the amount of time as you had when everybody was locked up at home in 2020. I know that. But that does not mean you cannot take advantage of the opportunities that are in this market. You just need the right tools and the right platform at your disposal. It is right in front of your face. So if you're looking for something real, send a text message right now to 1-888-306-8783. Talk me through what else we got. Netflix, Home Depot.
Yeah, we can look at Home Depot.
All right, let's pull up Home Depot.
This was on the 3rd as well. So on the 3rd, there were three. There were 300% gains.
Yeah, it's crazy.
One day. So on the 3rd, we entered the 295 puts at 9:42 a.m. And our final take was at 10:26 a.m. for 110%.
You almost caught the dead bottom.
Yeah.
Like that is so sick.
It was just a few minutes. That's like a 35-minute trade.
And then you've got this 35, the trade that lasts 30. You go from lasting 2 days, and then here's another trade that lasted 35 minutes, and that was good for 111%.
Yeah, because I came on the mic and I said, like, we was taking profit, and when we got down to like 292.50, I told everyone, I said, hey, I'm down to a runner. Like, if we get to 290, I'm out. And we got to 290, I'm out.
Beautiful. I absolutely love it. And, I want to follow up one thing. Just, hey, members, one last question, because we got Peter. Peter did send a text message into True Trading Group. So I'm happy that we're now communicating. Adam's communicating with him. But for anyone else that's skeptical, I honestly do not blame you or fault you at all for being skeptical. You should be skeptical. There's a lot of crap out there. But what I will tell you is this, that you are not alone on that. And I can promise you that when you do join True Trading Group, your only regret is that you didn't join sooner. And there's a lot of members that feel the exact same way. There's a lot of members that were skeptical at first, and now their only regret is they did not join sooner. And if you are one of those people, if you're a member of True Trading Group and were skeptical at first, go ahead and type the number 1 in chat. If you were skeptical at first, and now your only regret is you did not join sooner. And we actually, speak of the devil, Peter did just join, guys.
Welcome, Peter.
Peter just joined. Everybody, welcome, Peter. Peter's the newest member of the TG family.
Welcome, Peter.
I love nothing more than when skeptics join True Trading Group, just because I want to show you what is actually real. And I understand the skepticism, as all these people were skeptical at first, and now they regret that they didn't join sooner. So the skepticism, I get it, it's real, but True Trading Group is real. The results are real. The members are real. The education is real. And this opportunity is just as real as it gets. So we got one more to go. That's 4 triple digit gains.
And on that Home Depot, the best thing about this trade was I was a little bit more patient, and I waited for that trade line VWAP cross to the downside, right before I got in. So I waited out the bounce on it, because in the morning when you see that, most people would just rush in, right? But that premium is going to be so high, the IB is high. Just wait a few minutes. You get that trade line VWAP cross, you take it, and you look for us to get to 290, because that's the level, 295 to 290.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Well done, Shai. Very, very, very well done. And then we got one more.
Last one is Netflix.
We're 5 of these this week. Talk them through.
I entered Netflix yesterday at 9:45. We got into 375 puts for 355. And my final take today was this morning at 660.
For a 103% gain, and that is again a swing trade. So now again, I would like for you all to envision you get a message on your phone at 9:45 a.m. Eastern. Shai bought some puts. You open up your phone, you buy some puts too, you set your stop loss, you go back to work. You get another notification on your phone, took profit, you open up, you take profit, you go back to work. I know. Listen, I know you might be like, Mike, you're oversimplifying things.
And this one, I reloaded. Up here. Yep, at the top at 325. So we got in at 355, reloaded on that bounce at 325, and then we count the whole move down.
That's right. You did reload it.
Yeah.
You're an animal. I love it. I love it. Just because so many inexperienced traders would stop out on that new high print, not seeing the bigger picture.
There's low volume on the push.
Yeah, but not seeing the bigger picture and the bigger level.
Yeah.
And seeing the daily chart and everything. Sometimes traders get too micro, and they just, will set their stop loss above the high of the day, and not realizing that, just because the stock prints 20 cents above its high of the day doesn't mean the high of the day is broken. It's like, and then you can see it rejects at the high. Yeah, it made a new high, it printed a new high, like pennies, it printed the new high, but then it rolled over. That area is resistance. And one of the things, for those of you that don't know, that's one of the things that Shai is very good at, is understanding the volatility of the stock that she's trading. And support and resistance levels are not at one price. They're levels, they're zones, they're areas. And the more volatile the stock, the wider that area is. And that's one of the things that you really need to understand in order for you guys to be able to catch.
Yeah, and then you push up on very, very low volume, right? And you push right back into that area. You're stopping out. I'm buying it.
Exactly.
Right.
You're buying theirs.
Yeah, because now I got a better price. I've already taken a ton of profit off.
Yep.
So I'm down to like just a few contracts. So now I get a better price for the bigger move.
Yep. You got to think about that too, guys. Every time that you buy or sell shares or options, there's somebody else on the other side of that trade. So you're stopping out and you're selling your put options right there at the new high, and Shai is sitting there on the bid. You just sold them to her. So you're losing money, and then we roll over here and we're like, 103% gain in the course of 2 days. And you have to ask yourself, do you believe, because start thinking about the markets that way. When you go into the markets and you're trading, it is a battle. You are battling against other traders. Money is not necessarily made or created or lost. It just exchanges hands. So somebody loses money and it just went right into Shai's pocket. So that's what you have to think about. And when you're going through your trading day, do you feel confident enough in your ability, or the people that you have surrounded yourself with? Do you feel confident with them going up against us? Do you feel confident going up against the trader at Citigroup, or going up against the other trader, the other, over 10,000 members in True Trading Group?
Yeah,
That's what you have to start asking yourself.
Can you move the banner for a second so they can see the volume profile on that? Can you zoom in on that reload, Mike?
So I'm making the volume real big here. So that's the area of the reload, and then here I'll show you guys. There's the volume.
Yep.
So there's your low volume on the bounce back up into that high. And go back and put this.
103% equates to what in cash? A lot of money.
Yeah, G County boys, it's up to you, bro. That's, whatever the percentage is of whatever you're putting into the trade. I can't tell you what you're going to put into the trade.
Yeah,
everyone's going to have their own position size based on your own risk tolerance. So 103% could be 20 grand for somebody. It could be $200 for somebody else.
Yeah,
it's all relevant to whatever your position size is.
It's been a great week. Last week was good too. So like it's been good.
Yeah.
It's been good. And to think that we haven't even got to tomorrow. When
tomorrow's gonna be great. Another comment, G County Boys says, can I get an example? G County Boys, I'll tell you what, send a text. All our trading history, it's on our website. Every single transaction from our brokerage accounts is uploaded to our site every day. All the wins or the losses or the break evens. G County Boys, if you have some questions, send a text message right now to the number at the bottom of the screen. 1-888-306-8783. 1-888-306-8783. So yeah, tomorrow you have the labor report, which is going to be huge. So, I'm going to go through and go over with you guys what are
But I guess the question is for me, if you caught any one of these 5 trades and made money off of them, sound off. Like, yeah. I want to know.
Yeah, members, sound off, members. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, members, sound off if you guys caught money made money on our trades. So Peter Thomas says, with what the other guy just gave me, it would be foolish to not sign up. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Send a text message to that phone number. That's what I was saying. That phone number at the bottom of the screen. 1-888-306-8783.
Colton Brown said Home Depot paid my rent.
No, there you go. I'd like to hear that. Beautiful. Good stuff. Really great stuff.
Green Day, Green Week. It's been great.
It has. It really has. It's been such a great.
I call Enphase, FedEx, and Home Depot.
Yeah, I love it. Well, Shy, congrats again. Another big week, and we got tomorrow's going to be even bigger. I got to go through the game plan right now for everybody for the labor report. Then we got the giveaway. So I'll let you jump, but just thanks for coming on and sharing everything with the members and the viewers and showing everybody what's really possible.
Of course.
Congrats.
And before I leave, I just want to give you all a cha-ching everyone that caught these 5.
What about days. Yeah.
You know what? The cool thing about this, like, we do a lot of stuff in TTG, and that I'm hosting an accelerator course. A 4-week accelerator course where I go through how I identify these trades, how I find the triple digit gains, what exactly am I looking for in the setups to maximize my risk reward in them. So, it's not by luck. Like, I don't just sit here and just be like, oh, I'm just gonna get in here. Like, like these trades, I look for trades that are gonna give me between the 80 to 120%, somewhere in between there. So that's really, really what I specialize in, really what I look for. So I'm looking forward to everyone who signed up to that accelerator course. We'll spend 4 weeks together, and you're going to be learning from me. It's sold out. So
it's sold out. It's sold out. The accelerator is sold out.
Yeah, it's sold out. 4 weeks after hours going through all of this. Tell me somebody else that's going to do that for you.
I don't
Tell
know.
me a Discord that's gonna do that for you.
Nobody, man. No.
With live back testing, you're gonna see the candles forming, everything. It's gonna be amazing.
You're gonna love it, man. I'm in the middle of an accelerator that I'm doing right now, and it's so much fun. It is so much fun, and yeah, I'm telling you guys, everyone that signed up for Shy's accelerator, that's gonna be some game changing stuff. So it is sold out though. So for those of you that did secure your spot, enjoy. You're going to get a crash course into some triple digit bangers. So enjoy, everybody. Shy, thank you so much for coming on. And
I see you all in the morning. Watch this out. Looking forward to the jobs report. Let's try to get one more to end the week. I mean, we got 5, so that's one a day. I guess we'll just add a little gravy.
It is a little gravy on top. I feel like tomorrow's going to be a big day. I feel it in my bones.
I do. I look forward to seeing you all in chat. Let's get money.
All right, Shy. Thanks a lot. Take care. We got a comment here also from Trader by Blood, Not Relation. Says, I'm still green this month. It's my 4th straight green day. Yes. Yes. No, it's sold out, guys. It is sold out. It is sold out. Yep. It is sold out. So congratulations, everyone that did get a spot for Shy's accelerator. All right. Okay. All right, guys, let's get into game plan for the rest of for tomorrow with the labor report. Let's talk about what we expect, what the markets are expecting, and the reaction that we're going to see from the overall markets. So what we have coming up tomorrow is the U.S. labor report. This is the report that's going to be issued from the government. Today, you had jobless claims that came in slightly under expectations. 10 green trading days in a row, all thanks to TTG. Way to go, Andre. Andre Knowles, that's fantastic. 10 straight green days in a row. Can you make an exception to take one more person for Shy's course? I cannot take one more person for Shy's course. No, I'm sorry. I am sorry. We cannot do that. You see, we keep these accelerators real nice and small. They're super interactive so that they can really get some hands-on training with Shy. And we also have one of our moderators that's going to be assisting through that accelerator, who's actually Gio. And Gio is a market veteran, 25 years of experience, actually used to be a market maker. And he's one of the professional trading mods at True Trading Group. And he's going to be going through that accelerator also with Shy. So everyone that joined that accelerator program, you're getting Shy and you're getting Gio. So it's going to be amazing. Hands-on training with the two of them is going to be amazing. All right, folks. Now, U.S. labor report tomorrow. Let's talk about what we are thinking here. Now, the market has been selling off when you get stronger than expected jobs data. So when you go back 2 days ago and the market sold off, it was because there was 1 million more job openings than what was expected, and the market sold off because of that. So then you had yesterday the ADP employment report, which is not a government report. It's from ADP, which is a big payroll company. Their report was weaker than expected, and the market's actually bounced. Then you come in today and you get the jobless claims that were just slightly under, kind of in line. The markets were red early, pushed back to try to fight green. We finished in the red, and now people are waiting for the jobs number. If you get a significantly stronger jobs report tomorrow than expected, I expect the market to go down. I do not expect the market to go up if the labor report is stronger than what is expected. And you might be wondering why. Doesn't a strong jobs market, isn't that a good thing? It's a good thing in the economy, but for stock prices, I think you're going to see stock prices go down, because what that does is it emboldens the Fed to possibly raise rates again in November and to keep rates higher for longer. And that puts pressure on yields, which then puts pressure to the downside on stocks. Guys, the main chat is now open for everyone that's interested in the swing trading workshop. It is free. It starts at 6. So the main chat is open if you're members and you guys want to participate in that. So that labor report okay, if it's better than expected, and let's talk about what the expectations are. The expectations are that you are going to see 170,000 new non-farm payroll jobs added. If the number comes in at like 192,000, like if it's 170 is the expectation, if it comes in at 171 or 172, that's not a big deal. But if it comes in like 187, 190, that's a significantly more jobs added than what was expected. The markets are not going to like that because it emboldens the Fed. The unemployment rate is expected to go down to 3.7. If the unemployment rate drops to 3.6, that'll also make the markets go down. But really the number that I think might even be the biggest number of all is actually average hourly earnings. Average hourly earnings are expected to go up 0.3%. If they go up 0.4%, watch out. Then I think you're going to see the markets move to the downside. So what I'm actually expecting tomorrow, and now listen, I don't know what the labor report's going to be. These are the expectations. These are the analysts set expectations, okay? What we're going to do now, what do you get? You want me to go through that now? Or, I mean, Ricky, you can also send a text message to the phone number at the bottom of the screen, 1-888. All right, that phone number at the bottom of the screen. You guys will see it coming through, 1-888-306-8783. But Ricky, you're going to get everything. I mean, I'll take a break real quick. I'll tell you what you get, and then I'll get back to the game plan. So when you guys join True Trading, you'll be getting access to all of our courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto futures, you name it, we've got it. You get access to every single course. There's no upsell for additional courses. I mean, I'm not going to sell you half the solution. You get access to all of it. You have Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, insider trading from management. You got Quote Media's full book level 2, Trading Views premium charting software, a simulator that lets you practice trading with fake money and real-time data. You're going to get all our AI tools that will help you, identify chart patterns and can help you, read news sentiment and can help you develop conservative or aggressive trading strategies. The trade idea scanners on our platform as well for you guys to use. You got dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. All this is included. Analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. You got a trading journal that tracks all your trading. A social sentiment scanner tells you what's being talked about most on social media. 600 hours of workshops in our video library. You can attend those live once you become a full-time member. 2 study group sessions with our mods to speed up your learning curve. All this stuff is included when you guys join True Trading Group. So if you're interested in any of those things, you can send a text message right now to 1-888-306-8783 with the word START and give us your name and email, and you'll talk directly to Adam, and we'll answer any questions you have, and we'll get you guys set up and taken care of. If you have any interest at all, just send a text message to the number at the bottom of the screen. We'll be happy to get you guys situated. All that stuff is included. We also offer a double your money back guarantee just for peace of mind. So the way that it works is we're so confident in our platform that if you join True Trading Group, go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend the study group. We do study groups every week. I'm saying attend one and actually use the platform. Don't just log on to our site 6 times all year and then say you didn't make any money. Use the platform, okay? If you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal what you pay for your membership, we'll give you back double your money. So whatever you pay to join True Trading Group, you can't make enough winning trades to equal that. At the end of your membership, we'll give you back double what you paid. Because I'm not just going to give you your money back. I'm going to give you back your money plus double because we wasted your time. And if we wasted your time, we should be held accountable. If our platform didn't work, we should be held accountable. You're joining True Trading Group to receive a service. If we did not provide that service, we got to be held accountable. Nobody else is going to offer you that. I can do that because our refund rate is only 2.27%. If our refund rate was 10%, I wouldn't be able to do that. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,300 reviews, and 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members. Why would 78% of our members renew their membership if they weren't making money or they weren't having progress or they didn't feel that True Trading Group was worth the time, money, energy that they were spending towards it? That's why I can offer you double your money back. So if you guys are interested, like I said, send that text message 1-888-306-8783. You guys also do get a brand new free Windows laptop as well. Now, we do have some free laptops for you guys that we were able to get from our wholesalers. So when you guys join True Trading Group, you do get yourself a brand new free laptop as well. It's free. We cover shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 different countries. So all you got to do is you live on planet Earth, I'll get you the laptop. Don't you worry about it. We cover shipping. It's on us. Just a little free gift for joining True Trading Group. So like I said, text us 1-888-306-8783. All right, guys, back on over to the charts. So what I'm expecting from for tomorrow, I'm not here to predict what the actual numbers are going to be. I don't care. What I'm supposed to do is understand what does the market do depending on what the numbers are, and then have a game plan for that. So here's what I think the markets do. If the number comes in significantly stronger than expected, I think you're going to see a red day in the market that pierces underneath 420. I believe that you will see the markets tomorrow underneath 420 if the number comes in significantly stronger than expected. I think you pierce underneath that 200-day moving average, and I think you will get a candle that will look something like this tomorrow. Okay, if the number is significantly stronger than expected, I think that's what the market looks like. I think that's the candle that you are going to see tomorrow if it's stronger than expected. Okay, and we will be short. We'll be short on that move to break that 200-day moving average. But then I actually think the markets will find their footing, and I think the markets are going to bounce and the markets are going to recover. And once the markets regain 420, 421, I'm going to get long for a swing trade, and we're going to look for the markets to bounce over the next couple of days going into the middle to end of October. And then you're going to have CPI data next week that's going to impact that in a huge way. So we got to keep our eyes open and our ears open, obviously, for that data that comes out next week and then what that does to the markets. Now, that's if the jobs number is significantly stronger. What if it's weaker than expected? It's weaker than expected, and I actually think the markets move higher. And I think you get a move tomorrow that takes you back to, like, I don't know, maybe 428, 429. I think you'll see a candle that looks something like this tomorrow if the jobs number is a little bit weaker than what was expected. Okay, so if like the number is expected 170,000, maybe it comes in 168. If average hourly earnings are expected 0.3 and it comes in 0.2, I think this market moves higher. And I think that signals then that the Fed is done. And then I think you're going to get yields come down, and that means stock prices go up. All right. So there you guys have it. Guys, the second code word for the giveaway is report. Report. The second code word is report. So I gave you both code words now. The second code word is report. Here's what we're going to do, members of True Trading Group. We're actually, because we only have 3 minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to shut down the live stream. Members, everybody go back into the main chat. We're going to do the giveaway in the main chat, because our swing trading workshop is about to begin. So we ran out a little short on time here. So we'll do the giveaway in the main chat room. Okay. All of my members, go into the main chat room now. We will do the giveaway inside the main chat room. Everyone else that's not a member, you can't participate in the giveaway. I'm sorry, but you could, if you're interested in True Trading Group, participate in the next one. Send us a text message, okay, to the number that we're going to put up on the bottom of the screen. 1-888-306-8783. Again, that is 1-888-306-8783. Labor report is the code word for the giveaway. Labor report, code words for the giveaway. All right. So if you are not a member and you are interested, text us. We'll get you guys hooked up. 1-888-306-8783. Thanks for joining us tonight, folks. Members, get on into the main chat. If you guys haven't done so already, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications to make sure you never miss out on any one of these lives. Good luck in the giveaway, folks. Enjoy the swing trading workshop. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Take care.